Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the add default ending option in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. Till it opens up in the edit menu. From here we just go into the top right corner and tap on the hexagon. And then as the second option, we find add default ending. You can tap on this and discard the default ending that the app has, which you probably know, the little CapCut logo jumping in. And we can add our own ending afterwards. Or we can just turn this back on. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.